We join one of our characters, Dave, as he receives a transmission after days of darkness. He is given a prompt to accept transmission. Dave clicks yes, and what happens next is what happens to these trapped inhabitants of Utopia, finding themselves on an unprecedented adventure that they must now survive. Enter Nix. Nix is a spice trader in Dave's "we gotta go, bro." He has principles, watches Dave's back, and is loyal to a fault. He is far more wolf than dog when agitated. Nix is a good person.
Holy Schmeat, man. So good to see you.
Oh, good to see you, brother. You good?
Which Dave do you need right now?
Be straight up with me. No masks.
Hey. Of course I'm not good. What is happening?
I have no idea. To be honest, I'm wigging out a bit. For now, I guess just let's see what we got to work with and go from there, alright?
Yeah, I'm trying. I sent the invites to everyone I possibly could. You've been in the dark this whole time too? What the hell were those numbers all about? Did you see that?
Easy, big guy. One thing at a time. And yeah, I have been in blackout too. Anyways, who are you expecting to hop on here? We really need to find out what Penny knows and see how Jax is doing.
Finally. Looks like more folks are jumping on. Let's see what they know.
Enter Jax and Adam. Jax is the youngest of the group and was found by Dave, Nix, and Penny about 10 years ago. Jax is a healer and the optimist, as well as the canary for this group. She is a little fragile after her week in the dark, and it has taken a toll on her. Adam is a bit more assertive and is a newer member of the group, having only known Dave for the past couple of years. Adam is normally a skeptic and has rough edges, but his heart is in the right place. They are good people.
OMG, it's so good to hear from you guys. Have you heard anything?
Unfortunately, we do not know any more than you do, Jax.
Where's Penny?
No clue. I pinged everyone. Wait, hold up. Someone's joining right now.
Who's all coming? What should we be watching? Where is that?
Hey, Adam. We're still waiting on others.
Man, that looks like Tokyo to me.
You sure?
Pretty sure. Where else do you think it could be?
Dave, how did you get this working? I haven't gotten anything to work all week.
Not quite sure yet. I received a transmission. Simply clicked yes and was able to send invites to my contacts and you're joining that invite. Everything else is down for me. Glad you made it.
Same here. All my stuff's been down too.
What the schmeep is going on? This is schmeeping crazy.
So, if that is Tokyo, then whatever this is, well, we should probably assume this is happening everywhere, worldwide.
OMG, have we heard from the Frenchies yet?
What you see is what we have, Jax.
I wish Penny was here already.
Hold up, that is Tokyo. I just seen the Bob's Ramen sign. Back in the day, Hunter, Dave, and I shared a bowl of noodles right there.
Enter Penny. Penny is a solid yin to Dave's yang, and is a very strong contributor to our group due to her wisdom, perspective, and badassery. Her eyes are always on the stars, but she is grounded on Earth. She is a very good person.
Hello? Can you hear me? Hey, what's a Bob Ramen sign?
Penny!
Penny! All right!
OMG, girl, what is going on? How are you? What took you so long? We were all worried.
Me? I was just waiting in a week of darkness, just like you. It reminds me of Gigi's stories of the years before the 40-minute war. You know, end of the world type stuff. I don't know why you're all surprised. People with their little problems in a universal canvas. The current patterns made it inevitable.
Really? Now?
Is this a game?
Dave, where is Gigi?
I haven't heard from Gigi yet. I sent her the same information I sent Kaiser and Eva. Did the whole world go dark for the week?
But, did you though? You sure about that?
Well, no, but what are the odds that she's on comms?
Oh, I'll bet you a week's water ration she's on comms. She's everywhere.
Well, that sounds like a bet that no one truly wins, but a bet nonetheless. Sounds like you are on the hook for this one, Dave.
No bet. You better get the schmeep into those comms of yours and get Gigi in here.
I don't know how to feel. I don't know if this is good or bad. And I'm pretty sure everything's been in the dark for a whole week. 1 million people all over the world in the dark or worse. No Gigi, no Kaiser, Ava, and so many more still missing. OMG, what just happened?
All right, someone literally just put that ball into that goal, and there was, I think, an explosion, like someone scored or something.
What does that mean?
We don't know any more than you, Jax.
Someone just scored again? How are we supposed to know if that's a good thing or not a good thing? It just happened again. If this is orange and blue, that orange thing just scored again. I really, really hope that's a good thing.
This is absolutely devastating.
Enter Gigi. Gigi is the biological aunt of Dave, which is a big deal in our world. She has had to raise Dave and ultimately manufacture his world so he could survive. Dave does not appreciate her nearly as much as he should. Gigi is older and remembers the 40-minute war. Gigi is a good person. She is as well connected as one can be in times like these. She may talk a lot, but she has seen some schmeep, more than the others.
Oh, my darlings, this is terrible. How is everyone?
Gigi.
What is this? Does that one machine have Skylar's colors? Oh, then we must need blue to win.
Wait, what?
How
How
do you
do
mean?
you
How do you
know
know even
What,
that?
what do you mean blue?
Gigi, we don't even know what that means. What's going on? Score what? Blue? Orange?
I've been waiting to talk to you all, and I don't even know how to tell you what's happening.
What?
Look, I don't know everything, but here's what I do know. Grace is missing, and Skylar is in charge. The machines that are painted blue were sent to compete against other machines, and there's a competition that's supposed to decide the fates of regions. The orange machines seem to be sent from the system. We've never seen anything like this. No one has. You know, I tried to get a hold of Dave right away, but he must not have had service yet. I finally just got an invite from him. I accepted, and here I am. I'm so happy you're all here. Oh, and we just heard a mechanic was dispatched to help in Tokyo. It should be here soon.
So we're in good shape then. You can always count on a mechanic. So many questions, Gigi. Great to see you.
Yeah. I'm really glad you're able to join us, Gigi. Sorry for the delay.
What do we know about this blue machine?
Or about either machine for that matter. And I am so happy you're here, Gigi.
I just can't believe this.
Enter Kaiser, shortly followed by Eva. Kaiser lives in northern Utopia, way north. He talks a little different and loves stories. He has had a hard life, and for some reason, he also got a signal this morning from someone who wasn't Dave. That will come up later. Eva is in eastern Utopia. She talks a little differently as well. She is an expert on all things ocean and learned from the best teacher possible. They are a little late to the comms. Just adding more good people.
Oh my schmeep, guys, is this happening? Is everybody okay?
What on earth, Kaiser? You're here. What's happening? Was everyone in the dark? Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
Everyone shut up! Mechanic is on the field.
Everybody mute for a minute.
Oh, mute us.
No?
Yeah, Dave, let's go.
Don't tell me to shut up, bro. I haven't been able to talk to anyone in over a week.
Silence. But Dave can feel the rage of the muted group as they stare back at him silently screaming in fury on Dave's monitor.
I'm sorry, everyone, but this isn't working with all the shouting at once and everything going on. You're muted so I can say everything once for everyone. We think we need blue to win, and this is some kind of competition, and it appears to be happening in Tokyo. Grace is missing and Skylar's in charge, and Gigi thinks this match will decide Utopia's fate. Mechanic's been dispatched to help the blue fighter. Tech only seems to work during this broadcast and only in this GC. That's all we know. Sorry.
Dave, unmute them now. Please.
Why
Oh,
did you
that's
do that?
cool.
Up until now, the general rule in Utopia is that when a mechanic shows up, your problem usually gets solved. They are a big deal in Utopia and have been around for a long time. The mechanic destroyed a machine and replaced it apparently with a better one. I know, that sounds bad.
I don't understand what's... Oh no! No!
Mother schmeeper! No!
Everyone, catch your breath. We don't know enough yet.
Hey, but what about the mechanic?
Yep, Everyone just breathe like Penny said. I'll be right back, my darlings.
This doesn't make any sense. Where is Gigi going? What's more important than this?
I don't know, but I hope Gigi hurries back.
Any chance Gigi was wrong about Blue? I have never seen anything like this.
There's always a chance, and I'm betting no one has ever seen anything like this.
No doubt. But it's like the mechanic made the runs better. Wait, holy schmeep, is that a good thing?
No, Kaiser, it's not. Mechanics help us fix all problems. But it makes no sense anyway.
Makes sense if Gigi was wrong. Makes perfect sense, actually.
No!
Come on, man!
This might be a good thing.
Well, this can't be happening.
Oh, thank the stars, Gigi. What can you tell us?
Gigi, any chance you're wrong about Blue? That would immediately change things here.
Not from what I just heard. Skylar couldn't get there to stop this machine, so a local stepped up to try to protect Utopia. The mechanic was hijacked.
No. That is not possible. Mechanics cannot be compromised.
Come on, buddy, we need a lot more than that.
Who's the hero?
I don't know yet. I'll keep at it.
Guys, it's 8-4. No matter who he is, there isn't enough time for Blue to win. We're going to find out what happens when someone loses, because that's what's about to happen in Tokyo.
Don't say that, Adam. I almost don't even want to know what happens next. Just said there's always a chance we thought Gigi was wrong.
Sorry, Jax, this isn't the same. There isn't enough time.
Adam, just let
Only
it.
15 seconds.
Everyone, stay safe. Whatever happens, we will endure.
I just don't understand any of this. What happens to Tokyo if Blue loses?
I don't know. I don't think anyone knows. This can't be happening.
5 sweeping seconds still, who knows what?
I guess we better get our schmoop together.
I love you all.
Hey, good to see you. What's crackin'?
Uh-huh.
Are you going to join Dave's meeting later?
Uh-huh.
Are you doing anything exciting this week?
Uh-huh.
Did you hear the story in the news about the 5 yolks?
Uh-huh.
What did you think?
Uh-huh.
Are you fried?
Uh-huh.
Okay, well, I always look forward to our talks. I'ma let you go. See what I did there?
extinction is coming. You must protect Utopia. She can help.